Hi, smart people! Get ready to discover a place where modern comfort meets cozy living. Today, I'm standing right here at a leasehold property in Pererenan. Today, let me guide you through this lovely investment.
Built on a 430 square meters plot of land, with a corresponding building area, this property offers you the opportunity to lease it for a period of 22 years of investment.
So, smart people, once you enter the property, you will be welcomed with the huge swimming pool right here and also an entertainment area where you can enjoy quality time with your family or friends. And the most interesting part is there is also a hammock that's hanging in front of the bathroom where you can read a book or just take the nap in the afternoon. I really love it. Well, smart people, this is the main living area where you can find a sunken living room, dining table, and also a fully equipped kitchen. It implements an open space where in every building it's completed with a folding door, so you can open the door like this and enjoy the fresh air. It's really nice. So this is the sunken living area. Actually, I really love how they blend the color. It's basically white, but they always put bohemian aspect of every detail. Like in the lamp, they put wooden lamp and bohemian style. And also in the ceiling, as you can see, it's made by wood and it's made the atmosphere is really warm. I love it. This villa offers you a fully equipped kitchen where you can find a water dispenser, a microwave, a stove, and also the most important part is an oven. And as you can see here, there's also a window that you can open when you're cooking. But that's not all, smart people. This fully equipped kitchen also provides you a dishwasher here and also a sink and a hidden fridge right here. It's a 2-doors fridge. You can put everything right here. It's really nice. This villa offers you 3 bathrooms and 4 bathrooms. Each bathroom has its own ensuite bathroom, and this is the look for the first bedroom. Well, this is the master bedroom. It provides you double bath and a small garden there, TV, and also a wardrobe right here where you can put everything you have right here and a safety box. And since this is the master bedroom, only this bathroom that provides you a bathtub. Well, maybe some of you start to wonder where should you put your vehicle. But you don't need to worry because this house also provides you a spacious parking area, and it also completed with an automatic gate.
The cherry on top? A big awesome swimming pool. It's like having your own private chill zone. With this spot, you're not just getting a villa, you're getting a whole lifestyle that is both relaxing and exciting.
Speaking of the prime location for investment, well, just a quick 12 minutes from the bustling city of Pererenan, then you will arrive here at the fantastic leasehold property. Plus, only 30 minutes away is the famous Eco Beach. What a dream location, isn't it?
This place is not just a villa. It's your ticket to seriously posh life, where every corner is slice of fancy living.
Smart people, if you feel like this could be your future home or investment, contact BVR Property right now. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye!